17 February marks death anniversary of Rani Gaidinliu. Rani Gaidinliu was born on January 26, 1915, Tamenglong district in Manipur. She belonged to Rongme tribe, also known as Kabui, the Naga spiritual and political leader who led an armed uprising against the British in Manipur, Nagaland, and Assam. In 1927, she joined the Heraka movement. By the time she was 13 years old, the Heraka movement aimed at revival of the Naga tribal religion and establish self-rule of the Nagas by ending the British rule. She was arrested in 1932 when she was just 16 years old and was sentenced to life imprisonment by the British rulers. Between 1932 and 1947, the Naga freedom fighter was kept at several prisons across the northeastern part of India. After being released in 1947, she continued to work for the betterment of the community. Nehru described Gaidinliu as the daughter of the hills and he gave her the title of Rani for her courage. She was also awarded a Padma Bhushan. The Government of India issued a postal stamp in her honor in 1996 and a commemorative coin in 2015. Follow Veranda IAS.